Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Topper from Super Mario. So let's get started. To draw this cute Broodal, let's first start by drawing a curve for the nose and mouth area. So I'm going to start right here and just come over with a center curve. And then I'm going to go around and create this much bigger curve. And same thing over here. So we're just going to surround the mouth area. So then now I have this big curve in. Let's bring this down to say about right here. Kind of same area as that part. And same thing here. Let's bring this curve in there. And then we can connect it with another curve for the chin area. There. So I just want to create this little funny shape right there. Then from there we're going to come inside and just imagine this area is where the nose is. So like this curve and this curve right here, we're just going to kind of continue it, and right in the center we're just going to come right here and draw a soft curve for a nose. There. And then we're going to come straight down. Let's say about right there. And then we're going to go up with a curve and bring it in towards the cheek area and curve it in. So same thing here. And curve it in, and then in the center we're going to add some teeth. So we're going to come straight down with a line, and right about here we're just going to curve it and connect to create a tooth for this rabbit. There. Okay, so then from there, before I forget, I'm going to come right here and just lightly draw in 3 whiskers. There. Okay, so now that we have the mouth and nose in, let's draw the eyes. So I'm going to come about right here, find your center, come to the left a little bit, and same thing here, come to the right. Just about here, and we're going to draw a slanted, kind of like this big oval that slants and comes all the way up and bring it right back down. So we're just creating the eye area. So same thing here, all the way up and down there. And then for some details, we're going to come back into this space, and I'm just going to thicken this top part. So that's going to be thicker over here and here. So it's a little bit slimmer here and then thicker here. And then I'm just going to shade this in real quick so you can see it better. So same thing here. And a little bit thicker on this side. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and come right about here towards this side right here. We're going to draw a circle towards the inside edge and come inside and draw another circle and a highlight right here and shade this all in. And then this would be the color of the eyes when you color it in. So same thing here, circle and another circle and a highlight and shade that all in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's see here, it gets a little complicated because we need to draw a top hat. So I'm going to come to the top right here, and I'm just going to come out a little bit about right here, and I'm just going to connect and touch the eyes with a curve. So I'm just going to draw this big curve over our eyes and just come out a tiny bit, not too much. So about right there. Then from there, this is about how wide I want the face to be, the head. So I'm going to come down with a curve, and same thing here. Come down with a curve. So this is the side of the head. Then let's see here. Let's come right about here, and we're just going to connect it with a curve towards the center of the cheek area. So same thing here. Then let's keep going on this. Let's draw the body. So it's a very short rabbit. So we're going to keep bringing this down. So pretty even on both sides. Then from there, let's bring this down for a suit. So about right here, we're going to just kind of cave it in a little bit. And cave it in a little bit. To about right there. Now before I finish that, let's come back to the center. We need to draw the bow. So I'm going to come right here and we're going to draw a big bow, but just remember this, it's not a very tall rabbit, so this is kind of like where the suit is going to be. So let's come about right here in this area. We're going to fit in the bow right in the center. This is our center, and then I'm going to come right about here and draw the collar. Fit that right in there, and then we can surround it with our bow. Come down and draw a bow. And same thing here. And then just add some detail right there. And then we can come right about here and draw a straight line down. So same thing here. So say about that much. I'm kind of looking at so we can connect this. So about right there, let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. So same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's fill in this area. We're going to come right about here, come up a little bit and just connect it. And then we're going to draw one more layer. And then in the center, 2 lines. So this is the inside shirt and then a button. So a circle right there. Then from there, let's draw the legs. So we're going to come about right here. And here. Short, stocky legs. And then we're just going to connect it with a curve. And let's work on this foot. So I'm going to come right here, draw a curve. And then this part is going to pop out. There's big bunny feet. And let's see here. Let's just bring this around. And then wobble and connect. Then we can come right here and draw a curve for some details. There. So same thing on the other side. Right here and approximately right here. And connect. And once again, curve out the heel, pop out the toes, and wobble. And once again, this side we're going to curve, and then another one. There. Okay, so now we have to, let's see here, let's draw the arms before we go and draw the hat and the ears. So let's say about right here where this part, the top is, the shirt, we're going to come right here and we're just going to draw a curve coming down. So this is where the arms are going to be. So same thing here. Just draw this too. So we kind of know where it is with the suit. And then from there, let's say about right here where it starts to curve in. We're going to bring it in for the arm. So we're going to work on this side. And with this, I'm going to have to do some erasing because it's a little bit more complicated. I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve to connect. Because there's this bracelet that he's wearing. Then using that curve, I'm going to come right here, curve again, and come right here and draw a thumb. So, sorry if that was a little complicated, but we just want to come out with this curve, connect it around, and then right here, we're going to draw in some fingers. So loop it in. And then let's see here, 2 more, 1 more loop, and then another one, smaller one. And then right in here, just connect it with a curve. So this is the hand, I'm just gonna call it bracelet. It's not a bracelet, but I'm totally lost for words right now. So then we're just gonna put in these spikes, and right about here, maybe another one. I'll come in there and erase that later. Just a little bit easier to draw if you do that first. Okay, there. So now this side. So kind of the same thing. And see if I can make it a little bit easier. So same thing right here. We're gonna come right about here and pop this out. And then once again, we're gonna come in with a thumb. There. And then right about here, same thing again, the fingers. 1, 2, 3, and connect. And just pop out a little bit more. There. And then once again, right here, we're going to put in some spikes. And one more. There. Okay, so there. From there, let's draw the hat. So we're going to come up and just imagine this is still continuing up, which is nice curve. And same thing here. Nice curve. And then I'm going to stop, and in this area we need to draw some spikes as well. So I'm going to find my center, and I'm going to say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead, use that as my guide, and I'm going to draw one center spike and connect it with a curve. And let's see here, come about right here. Draw another one and one more here. There, so I'm just drawing these 3 spikes, and that's because we need to connect it right here. For the rim of our hat, and then we're going to come up about right, let's say about right here. We're going to go up, and same thing here, go up for our hat. So now that we're about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve to create the top of our hat, which is an oval. And connect. There. Okay. And then let's see, one more band right here to finish off the top hat, and then the ears. So I'm going to pop them into this area. So let's go up. We're going to curve it, and about right here, we're going to bring it in to about here. And then we're just going to connect it with another curve coming in and filling this space. And then one more here, just draw the inside of our ear. And whatever space you have left, just connect it with a curve. So same thing on the other side. Just going to go up. Just going to try my best to make it about the same size. Right here. And bring it in. And once again, the bottom. And the inside. And then whatever space you have. Oh, there, finally done. Hopefully I didn't overcomplicate it and I helped you draw this Broodal here. The only part that's a little bit tricky, I think, is the hat. So if you're using a pencil, definitely you can draw this curve right here, then add in this curve and draw the hat and then put in the spikes. But I was just a little bit too lazy to erase, to want to erase it, so So just to put the spikes in first. But that is pretty much it. And I'll come in here real quick. And wipe this out. There. And that is it for my drawing here of Topper, a Broodal from Super Mario. I really hope I helped you draw this King Super Mario character fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.